Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2018 Chevrolet Traverse LT all-wheel drive. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, a power lift gate, keyless entry with push start, all-wheel drive of course, AM, FM, XM, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. Our 2018 all-wheel drive Traverse has the 3.6 liter paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Lots of room in the rear passenger compartment with captain's chairs and also a pass-through to the third row seating. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2018 Traverse, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.